Okay, hello. So, today I'm helping my aunt harvesting rice. This is not the planted rice, so this is the regrowth, and I'll be using this. I don't know how to call this, but we call this garab in our language. So we're harvesting rice manually. All right, let's see what we can do. I think maybe it's around uh, a sack of rice, so let's see. Ito, hilang maka dyan eh. Madugay. Madugay ba kay hilang? Hmm. Di oy.
Ana mo good.
Di mo ganahan og ana. Kasabot ko siyang pasabot. Kana kog ana kay ana palbasa pa.
Sisit gani hapud ana.
Ana masisit.
Pero ana man good. Ana man good. Ana Ang
Ana.
Nya paghatak pagawas.
Okay.
Ana man good sa mga manilisit. Paspas kadto sila.
Na kahilang ba niya?
Kampo de ana unsa imo nang anaon. Higong nadaan alat ka nang Nana, kumano sila dito Si Ani, yung asawa. Idura sa doon na na sila. Insinig siya. Kumana nila duha.
Paspasan nila oy.
Lagi, purot nila yung bayad kong gadon. Tungas adlaw. Dinadungan na mo nga rin, halasot ko. Wapoy luang-luang oy. Bisag init sa adlaw, hala, paspas gani. Padado sa mga. Kani kumahal ko tong high blood ba? Kay sobra ng inita. Pati mag-spike, hindi.
Tabang. Di pa ni mahuman kay mga hinadyan man may. Why practice?
ari ni kay anak ba makuha man ni makontrol mo buo ra imong anihon.
Tag-asa pa rin ako.
Mura lagi mo disit.
Ang kay kuan man, lagjo man diri.
Ana pa disit dito pag diri lang jo man na ona na. Ana na ang kauingan ba nimo daan? Dito ni mo humiran.
Di naman ko'y mga dahon sa ubos.
Ubitaw.
Ang mga unod ba? Usikan man ko.
Awa pa na kaon. Ang dagana kay tuwa.
Oh, naapil. First time di ako manggarab ha? First time ko manggarab. Dili kasi sit anak man ganihara. Anak. So that's my aunt doing her thing, and this is what I harvested, and we have all this rice to go until on the over there. So yeah, so I'll show you how she's doing it.
I'm gonna move that way. That one there.
So could you please tell us how to do that?
Just go like this. Very easy.
Okay, slowly.
Okay. Do this.
Okay, so what you're gonna do is grab the rice first with the, I don't know how, the garab, we call it garab here, and then hold the bunch of rice and then cut it off.
Pull.
Yeah.
Pull it here.
Okay, so I'll show you once we're done. Okay, so this is her harvest, and mine is here, still like 1/4 of the sack. And then this is the infamous. This is the
My goodness. Kuya, oy.
okay.
Di dali na.
Okay, hold my camera.
Char camera.
Don't show my face.
Pwede sa atubangan ko.
Kasi dito ko anon kay nga ba pa? Lagjo.
Pag English po, ganyan. Nag-English ka karon.
It's very hard to grasp this, you know, to cut this off because these things are far in between, and yeah, but we're doing our best. So if you're mad at your ex-girlfriend or ex-boyfriend,
Nawa man lagi.
it's okay, it's just a screen. Touch the screen.
Ah.
So if you're bitter with your exes, then this is how you know express your feelings. Just think that this is their neck.
Muro magpinasuko na kaadyo na.
Oh my goodness.
Just like this.
So we're done harvesting the rice, so we're heading back to their house right over there at the background, and my cousin is watering the okra plants. So yeah, in a few weeks they will be harvesting soon. And of course, only in the Philippines people are burning their rubbish and, you know, compost and the hay. So yeah, I know it's not good, but it's common here, so what can we do? That's the culture, that's a tradition. Alright, so this is now the remnants of what we did. So we totally harvested all the remaining rice, and this is what I have. and my aunt has another sack, and then they're going to how do you call that, you know, removing the rice from the stalks. Yeah, so they're going to manually remove it by their feet. So they're going to stamp on it to remove the rice itself from the stalk of the rice. Yeah, okay, that's it for now. Bye.